Backyard gang, what is up? What is up? We're back with another video. As y'all can see, we are back in the backyard again, messing with this old Cuddy. Got a few things I done did. Well, yesterday actually, when I got off work, I just came home, chilling with my brother-in-law. We was out here chilling, had a couple drinks. It was really on and off raining, so I really was just messing around. Ain't had nothing else to do. Wife got off late, so we was just chilling. And I just wanted to mess around and get stuff done, so I didn't pick up the camera. I was just really just in my own vibe. But got my power wire in and everything for the music. My throttle linkage came in. I still gotta adjust it a little bit more so it can return right. So got that put on. Let's see. What we're working on now is we're about to put our interior. Get a test run on our interior. We're gonna put it in, but just testing everything because I'm gonna take everything back out. But and then testing my music and stuff that I had left over. So, but yeah, man, let me show y'all how untouched this car was. This the build sheet that was up under the back seat. Excuse me, my finger. I'm working on these cars, y'all gonna do something. But it still had the build sheet up under the back seat. My Grand Prix was the same way. Yeah, testing out the speakers, tweeters and stuff. Actually, I already got my subs in. They haven't been played in a year, so I just wanted to go ahead and hook those up and get them going. Everything still worked fine. Audio pipe BD2s. I'm gonna upgrade those. And I got some plans with that. Y'all see that. But anyway, that's just in there just for right now and to have some music while I'm doing all this. But these are the door panels that I had in the Grand Prix. I'm gonna go ahead and put these in here because I'm gonna do something different on the Grand Prix. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna paint these black. They're already wrapped gray, but we're gonna paint these black, and we're gonna paint the dashboard black, all the trim panels black, and I'm gonna take the headliner out later on. I'm gonna keep the carpet red for right now. I'm gonna change that later on because the carpet is actually good and ain't no point in, like I said, this car ain't got no rust. That's just surface rust and shit. But I'm gonna get the vacuum and clean it up, and then I'm gonna put the what's the name? I'm gonna clean all that up and put the sound deadening mat down. So once I get the new carpet and everything, that'll be later on down the road. I'm not really worried about that right now. But yeah, I'm gonna set y'all up. We're gonna get these. Oh, about to die. We're gonna get these pieces cleaned off, and we'll check back in with y'all in a minute. Y'all, check this out. Check this out. That is another build sheet for this car. I mean, granted, it's a standard Cutlass Supreme, but I mean, seeing this still intact, that is crazy. Charged to some Winfield, Alabama. The Arlington plant. It was built in Arlington, Texas. That is crazy. Got the sport mirrors. 229 gear ratio right there. Tandem booster, iron drum brakes, aluminum manifold, 63 amp generator. Okay, it came with a 260. So this car originally came with a 262 barrel. .69-liter tank, 605 steering gear, standard wheel equipment, 14-inch disc wheel. That's crazy. This the type of stuff that you save and you find it like this. That's crazy. All the codes and everything for crank pulley, power steering pulley. That's crazy. I'm a nut for shit like this. I love seeing this. Vinyl exterior molded. Had AC. Came with floor mats. Trying to see if I can see the color. What color was the original? I'm pretty sure it was silver. Well, I really don't know. But anyway, that's crazy. Find stuff like that, man. And I got that one over there that's all balled up, but this one right here is in perfect shape, so I'm definitely saving that. So set y'all back up and speed y'all back up. Matter of fact, we'll probably just jump to when we get done now.
2,000 years later.
All right, backyard fam. We got a lot of progress. I videoed some of it. The rest of it I just went on and did, but it looked decent. That black came out good. Can't tell well in the camera. This one, these two, I ran out of paint on. Well, you can still kind of see it's red behind that, but I gotta go get another can of paint. But for the most part, everything else is pretty much done. Could be touched up a little bit, but for now, it's good enough. So I'm gonna go back over here, finish putting some other stuff in the car, and then clean it out and put these pieces in, man. I'm gonna let them dry, and then we're gonna get to putting everything in, and I'll get back with y'all in a minute. Y'all see them. That's what they do. we done made a lot of progress. I stopped recording at a certain point because I just wanted to get it done, and I got something I got to do in about an hour, so was cleaning up and finishing up. But as y'all can see, we got the door panels in. It's just everything is in, but it's not finalized. I mean, it's cleaned up and everything, but I still gotta mount the door panels right. And I got all the back pieces in. Let's see red right there, so I gotta take that out. But it looks good though. They playing with this damn stick. It looks real good though. Looks real good. I like it. So I finished mounting my door panels up right. I got everything kind of loosely wired. Once I get my other battery, I'll be able to mount everything, get my board. I just wanted to run everything, get it power to everything, get it hooked up, because I hadn't used none of this stuff in a while. So, I mean, it looks good though. I got the covers in my storage. I just gotta go get them and put them on there. But next is to paint the dash and these pieces, take the headline out. But I'm not gonna do none of that. Probably ain't gonna do none of that no time soon, really. Really just getting to a point to where it's running right. It's running right. Like I said, I just ran everything for the music. So once I bust it back down, take everything back out, I can just put everything in its final place, because everything is ran, everything is hooked up and working. So we yeah, man, we got a lot of progress. Today was actually pretty good. Yeah, that inside looks real good, man. But I'm probably gonna add this video on another video. I'll probably do something tomorrow. But yeah, that's it, man. This thing will be pretty loud. I know everybody ain't a fan of the door panels and everything, but to each his own. I like music, so. And I'm gonna get them rewrapped eventually. They don't look the best right now, but when everything gets put back on it and it looks all uniform, then it'll look good. But right now, as y'all see, that's what we got.